All right, YouTubers, we're gonna show you how we go about the at-home do-it-yourself method of taking off a tire off the rim and then putting a new tire on the rim. We got a couple new tires here. We're gonna put it on. So first of all, what you wanna do is remove the guts out of the stem here. Now once that's all the way out, then you get you a partner here, or you can do this by yourself. Just takes a little longer if you do it by yourself. I like to use a plank here, just a 2x6, 2x8, 2x12 plank, right? Get that behind the back tire. Get that right on the very edge right there. So when it comes down, it's not gonna hit into your rim, but it'll push it down. All right, come on back. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, there it goes. Okay, then I'll turn the tire around and we'll do the other side. Okay, go forward. Okay, that was 1/2 of that side of the bead. I'll roll it around. Okay, come on back. Now we'll get the other half of that side. There it goes. Okay. Okay, put the tire over. Okay, do the same to this side. Come on back. Okay, so now you can see that was the last. We just had to work that tire around a few times just to get that side of the bead off. Got it off fairly easy with the truck. Truck works good. Just put some weight on that edge just to pop it off that bead. So now that we're off on both sides, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our crowbars, start prying a little bit at a time just to get that up over the lip. Get your crowbar underneath there. This bigger one here. Okay, then you just gotta take a little bit at a time and just keep working your way around. You try to go too much, it's not going to work. You just got to get just a little bit at a time. Okay, that'll get the other side. Now this side, I like to flip it over like this. Okay, and get this up underneath here. Okay, give it a little twist here, and then pull this side through, like that. Okay, this side you just keep working it around. Just the same way. Real slow, little bits at a time, until she comes out, just like that. Okay, now get your new tire, Make sure your rim's good and cleaned inside of here. Sure you don't got any rust spots on the rim. Get it cleaned up. Okay, now we're gonna do the same, just kind of in reverse with the new tire. So, yeah, we'll just do this the same way. Tire irons, start it on. There it goes. Okay, and the same on this side. Just keep working it around. Get that edge on there. Okay. All right. So now to get it on the bead, what I like to do is just a little bit of soap, dish soap with some water. So it's just soapy water, really. I'll pour it around the edge of this and rub it in real good. Just get it right along that edge. Just gives it a slicker side to it, so it's easier for that rubber to pop up onto the bead. So rub that around that side real good. Flip her over. What I like to do is you want to start with there's two different sides to your bead. You got this shorter side here, and then you got this longer side here. So I like to start with this longer side because it'll slide up into that a little easier. I like to get that bead started on here. So get up on it, pull it up into that bead. Not gonna go all the way in, but get it as tight as you can get it up onto that. I'll even take it, put it on a log here, like that, and then usually I like to get the kids to do this, and just smash that down as far as you can get it onto that bead. That soap will help too because it lubricates it up a little bit, gets it a little slippery so it'll slide into it. Okay, now you can see we got, this is on the bead there. This side's not quite on there, but it's still pretty tight around that edge. So now what we can do is we can put these, I'll put them across the two ramps here. Okay, now this is where you might need a partner here to make sure that you got a good seal around this top edge. Just get in there, squish it down. You can see all the way around this edge. Make sure you're good and sealed up. And then if you are, you can just start putting air in there. And right here, it's good seal, so it's not leaking any air. So here it comes, it's coming up. And just keep going with air. I put a good 50 PSI into these. You just have to see what the rating is on your tire. Make sure you get those two beads that seal. You'll hear them pop. That's 20 PSI already in it. There goes. That was both of the beads. Both sides are sealed now. So I'll go 50 PSI in it, let it sit, make sure I'm not leaking any, and then I'll drop these ones down to maybe 40, 35, 40. These are going on a flatbed trailer I haul toys with. Alright, so when you're doing this, one thing is make sure you do not have your fingers in the rim when that's coming up, because your tire will not, it won't even care about your fingers, it'll rip them right off. So just a safety thing, just make sure you don't have your fingers or anything in between that tire and the rim. And yeah, that's about it. Just put some air in there, make sure they hold. I like to check them, I'll leave them sit overnight, check them again in the morning. That should be good. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, any comments that you got. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, different ways to do this, but this is kind of what I found is easiest for me. It definitely is not easy, I'm not gonna lie. And you know, for your do-it-yourselfers, this does save you a few bucks. But if you don't have anything going on a beautiful Saturday night, you wanna do some tires, save you 40 bucks or so. Okay, thanks for watching.